How a bird shits and what the bird mostly use as a toilet to shit. Birds have a unique way of shits taking care of business. They are a single opening called Dacloca shit, which serves as a multi-purpose exit point for their digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems. This means they essentially pop and pee at the same time, releasing a white paste like shit, uric acid mixed with their feces shits. As for their favorite shit spot, spots, birds tends to be a bit unpredictable, often relieve themselves mid-flight on branches or even around expecting humans leaving shits. Some common places you might find a bird shits include car windshield and roof, a favorite spot for birds to leave their shit. Branches and perches. Birds often shit where they sit, so branches and perches are common spots. Water surface. Water-dwelling birds like ducks and swans often excrete shits while swimming or floating. Nesting areas. Parent birds often remove shits from their nest to keep their chicks clean. It's worth